In this video, we're gonna perform a quick fingerprint sensor speed test on the Samsung Galaxy A57. So we're gonna see how long does it take to unlock the phone and for how long we need to hold our finger on the sensor over here to be able to unlock our phone. So in this case, we have the optical fingerprint sensor, which means that it takes a little bit of time to unlock the phone compared to, let's say, the ultrasonic sensor, of course. But still, there are some pretty fast optical sensors on the market. So let's see how long we have to hold. So I'm gonna try to just touch it like that. There we go, it works. Of course, a simple tapping does not work. We have to hold our finger on the sensor for a little bit more time. And it seems like it is like approximately half a second or so. So we need to keep our finger on the sensor for like half a second to be able to unlock the phone. The slight downside that I noticed is that the animation doesn't really unlock exactly at the moment once it is unlocked. So once I use the sensor and I unlock my phone, the animation takes a little bit more time to actually go to the home screen. So it is slightly misleading because we don't have to hold for as long as the animation shows. And I feel like definitely it could be a little bit faster. I think there is a room for improvement. I'm sure there are other optical fingerprint sensors on different smartphones that are actually a little bit faster. So it's not really the best on the market for sure. But the good news is I didn't notice any issues with detecting the sensor. I mean, of course, as long as I hold it for enough time. Alright, so I'm gonna now skip the lock screen. I think I unlocked it already enough times. So now we're gonna check if it's possible to unlock the phone without the sensor being visible. So usually, of course, the phone takes a little bit of time to wake up the sensor and to unlock the phone. So naturally, I expect it to take even more time. But still, we're gonna see if it's possible. Yes, it is possible, so that's a good news. And for how long we have to hold it? Now this feels like, yeah, if I try to hold it for like a half a second, just like on the lock screen, then it's not going to unlock the phone. Of course, if I try to use the sensor, it's going to stay visible for a short time, so I assume that if I try again, then it should work, just like on the lock screen. So now the sensor is slightly visible. And it takes approximately the same amount of time to unlock the phone now as on the lock screen. But that is now because the sensor is actually activated. It is visible. Of course, there's also always on a display, so I assume that it's going to be pretty similar to the lock screen. Yeah, there we go. So if you activate AOD, then it's going to take the same amount of time or close a pretty similar amount of time as on the lock screen to unlock the phone with the sensor. But now let's see one more time. Okay, so I feel like it was a second and it still didn't unlock the phone. I'm gonna try again. And let's see now. So I feel like it takes more than a second to unlock the phone. I'm not entirely sure. I would have to to check the time, but it's definitely slower than on other smartphones, unfortunately. Of course, it's still pretty great. I didn't experience any issues with the sensor itself, but if we are talking about the speed, there's definitely room for improvement, unfortunately. So I would say it's not bad. Once you touch the sensor with the finger, you can of course just keep holding it until it unlocks, and still like a second or a second and a half, it's not really a bad thing. Let's be honest, like it's not much amount of time. But yeah, if we compare it to some other smartphones, as I mentioned, then it's not the best one. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.